How to cast YouTube to TV. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will simply guide you on how you can cast your YouTube videos to your Android TV or any type of TV that you have. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to cast your YouTube app and the videos that you watch on your phone to your TV instead of watching them in the app, it's very simple to do so because all you have to do is open up YouTube. Once you open up YouTube, now basically if you look at the top of the screen, you have the YouTube logo and then you have the cast icon there. And you can just tap on this icon right over here and then just you can select the TV that you want to connect to, or else you can just select a specific video. And once you select a specific video, what you want to do is again you'll find the cast icon from the top right hand side. When you tap on it, you'll have similar options to cast them to your office TV, or you can cast them and link them with the code depending upon what you want. You just want to make sure that your TV is actually turned on though. And this is simply how you can cast your YouTube to TV. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.